What's up, Empire Nation? Nick here with Everyman's Empire, and today I have a more practical video for you guys. I have been doing a lot of technical videos, more tactical videos for you guys, but today I'm going to do more practical video, breaking down exactly what it's going to cost you to start selling on Amazon if you're new, if you are advanced, whatever it's going to need to be starting to sell on Amazon. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Nick. I am a 7-figure Amazon seller. Now, if you haven't seen the video I posted about a week ago, make sure to go check it out. I show where I made roughly $3 million in sales last year, $1.4 million in profits, and all proof of it. So make sure to go check that out after this video. But today we're going to break down exactly what it's going to cost to sell on Amazon. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stay tuned. It's a revolution. Alright guys, so for the number one thing that we want to look at first is the cost of the product, because it's going to be the most expensive part of selling on Amazon. Now I'm going to break this down in a systematic order so you guys can fully understand it, and I don't want you guys to watch this video, but fully understand and just grasp this information, because it's very important to understand exactly what I'm going to be saying in this video so that you don't mess up when trying to sell on Amazon. Alright, so the number one thing is product, right? With a product there comes a lot of costs. But what we're going to be talking about is a product, and a good product generally comes between the price of $2 to $4, right? $2 to $4 USD is what it's going to cost to launch or to get one product made, and you want to buy between 300 to 400 units at a time. All right, and that's always good to be able to rank, to be able not to run out of stock, to lose your ranking and stuff like that. So you want to just take my word for it. You need about 300 to 400 units minimum to start. So that's going to cost you between $900 and $1,200 just for product. All right, so for the second part is shipping. Now I want to go a little bit in depth into shipping, because a lot of people feel that it's very difficult to find how to ship a product to Amazon. Now it really isn't. All you want to tell them is to ship it door to door via air, because it's going to be light. We're talking about a 1 pound product or less. All right, so generally here are the costs of shipping by air. It's going to be about $5.50 to $6.50 per kilogram to ship by air. It's going to be about $1 to $1.75 to ship via sea. All right, if you don't know how to ship via sea, we do have a full course in the link in the description where we give out our freight forwarders, which will do exactly door to door for you. There's all hands off work. You don't have to do any of the work yourself. You just tell them what you want and they'll give you the pricing at a very low price. So in total, we're looking at about $1,300 to $1,700 USD just to make and ship your first product. Now, I know what you're saying, Nick, I'm gonna need some softwares to find these good home run profitable products. And yes, we're gonna be going over that. So for number two, right, we're gonna need a software. And what I suggest is the Viral Launch Product Discovery software, right? This is gonna help you guys find profitable products within a few hours, maybe a few days, to find that product that's gonna make you an absolute, good income to be able to leave that 9 to 5 grind. And what this software costs is around $29 up to $79. Now there's 3 packages. There's a $29 package, a $59 package, and a $79 package. You can start with the $29 package, no problem at all. It's cheaper than Jungle Scout itself at that package rate or at that cost. But that is what you're gonna need to find those profitable products. Now we're gonna move on to the third point. So for number 3, we're gonna need an Amazon Seller Central account. Now I wanna go over a few things with that as well. An individual account is what you can get for free, but it only allows you to sell up to 10 products per month. Now, as a business owner and as a business we're looking to sell on Amazon, we're not looking to sell just 10 products. So you're gonna wanna get the professional seller account. So the professional seller account costs $39.99 per month, all right? And a lot of students make this mistake, and I want to let you guys know that firsthand, is when trying to sell on Amazon, make sure to set up your seller account right away. If you don't sell for the first 3-6 months, Amazon will reimburse you those months that you haven't sold in. So whether it might be $120 or $240 for 6 months, whatever it may be, they will reimburse you completely for that amount. So for point number 4 is going to be your logo. All right, so logo you can go to Fiverr for. All right, so Fiverr is a place where people do work. Generally, people from the Philippines or from East Asia, wherever it's going to be nice and cheap, where people make lower income, they're able to do work for you guys at a cheaper cost. And that's why I suggest Fiverr. And especially for those starting off, it's good to get your ball rolling before trying to get those real good logos done, really good branding, stuff like that. But to at least get started, we want you to get a logo, because we are private labelers. And I'll talk about that in a second, all right? So for a logo, it's gonna cost you about $5. All you gotta do is type in the search bar on Fiverr, logo. It'll present you a couple people that will charge $5. You ask them to make a logo, give them an example off of Google. They'll make your own, and voila, you have your own logo. All right, guys, so the fifth point is gonna be barcodes. We're gonna need to be buying barcodes, right? Because we're gonna be sending stuff to Amazon where they need to check it in, check it out, and to be able to sell it to their customers, right? So for a barcode, I suggest going to Barcode Mania. For one barcode, it's gonna cost you $5. So $5 gets you one barcode, but what I suggest you do is buy 10. 10 is going to get you a cost of a barcode for $2 each. It's going to save you a bunch of money. And guys, we are looking to sell multiple units, multiple products, sorry. So all you're going to need is 10 barcodes, what I suggest to start out. And just to make things clear, all you need to do on one product is one barcode, right? What you do is you have one product, you got to put one barcode on because you have 300 of the same one or 400 of the same product. You put that same barcode on all 400, all right? I hope that kind of makes sense to you guys. Now let's move on to the next point. All right, guys, so the next point is going to be photos, all right? So photos are very important when selling on Amazon. When you have your photos on Amazon, it's going to get you those conversion rates. You want to make sure you put lifestyle photos, photos of the product in use, and whatever it may be, maybe putting it next to a pop can, just to give the customer an idea on what the size of your product is, all right? So that's really important. On Fiverr, you can find people to do your photos for you between $35 and $75. Now, you can also get it done for cheaper or more expensive, but that's generally where you're going to be able to find good photos, all right? Now, you want to make sure you get between 5 to 7 photos. 5 is generally what's good enough. Because at least fills up the space that you can on Amazon so everybody can just check it out. Once you do more than 5, it shows a plus sign and you have to click it and it drops a few extra photos down. Most customers probably won't be checking that out right away. So that's what's going to cost you for photos, and you just want to make sure you get some lifestyle photos and photos of it in use. All right, guys, so for the last point, you want to make sure you get your product inspected. For most of you guys that don't know, most people buy their product through Alibaba.com. And what Alibaba.com is mostly Chinese suppliers. And generally, some of the products there are not quite up to par as you might think. Some products come in high quality and some don't. So you always want to make sure that you're actually getting an inspection on the products you are ordering. You know, generally I get an inspection if it's got moving parts, stuff like that. If it doesn't have moving parts, you can choose whether you want to or not. Just at least make sure you get a sample sent to your house then. All right, and a sample generally they'll cover the cost of the product. You just got to pay for the shipping. All right, so those are the 8 steps that are really important when trying to sell on Amazon. You want to make sure you understand fully what these all come together with. We also do have a free mini course in the link in the description where I break it down even more for you guys if you guys do need any more help. But today, that's kind of what the video is going to be about. So be prepared, take the extra leap because it's really good in terms of building a business. We want to make sure that you're able to build out that brand, you'll be able to build out whatever it may be, because Amazon is that most passive income you can ever find. Personally for me, I'm able to go out there and do whatever I want. I can literally travel if I like to. I'm not a big travel geek, but if I was, I can go travel and do whatever I like in terms of going over and just going on the internet and working off my business from anywhere in the world. And if you guys are interested in that, just make sure to take that leap of faith and take on the opportunity that is at hand, because Amazon FBA has changed my life. It has changed a lot of my students' lives. And really, guys, that's all I wanted to show for you guys today. So if you did like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.